everyone, I want to show you how I DIY'd this black accent shelf and turned it white. So if you're interested, continue to keep watching. Hi everyone, Happy New Year. Welcome to my channel or welcome back to my channel. It's Sharita, also known as Gracefully Natural. And in today's video, I want to change this shelf from black to white, and I want to take you along on this journey. So if you're interested in seeing how I changed this bookshelf from black to white, then continue to keep on watching. Also, don't forget to hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment on this video, and I will see you in the next one. So I will start off by using this chalk paint and some paint brushes. I used a smaller paintbrush and I make sure to stir that up. So I'm going to go ahead and start applying. So what I'm doing is I'm just applying this chalk paint. It is in white, and I'm just going to just start on the outer edges of this shelf and just continue to keep painting until I get the entire shelf painted. One thing to note, if you do decide to do this, make sure that you prime it first. That's one thing that I did not start out doing. But if you continue to keep watching, you'll see that I went back and I primed this because it made it so much easier where I didn't have to go back and do so many coats of this paint. I did actually run out of this chalk paint. I thought it was going to be enough, but it wasn't. So I had to run to Home Depot. I can't remember if I got this from Home Depot or Lowe's and buy some more chalk paint. But y'all, I underestimated this job. I thought it was going to be quick, simple, and easy, but it was very tedious. It took me about a week from start to finish as far as drying time, the amount of coats that I had to go back and do, but I love how it turned out. So here you'll see me just continuing to paint the outer edges of this shelf. Also, you want to make sure that you're in a well ventilated place. I am under my garage. As you can see, I have the garage door let up enough to where I can breathe. I did not have a mask, but I would suggest that you wear a mask. And it was really cold outside, so that also helped with wind and air circulation. So unfortunately, I didn't get the footage, or I didn't realize that I was not filming when I primed this shelf, but what I used was the 3-in-1 primer that's in the spray can. I bought it from Lowe's and I sprayed the entire shelf, and then I took the chalk paint and I poured it in that little what do you want to call that, I'm just gonna say that little plastic bowl, and I got a roller, which made the job so much more easy. And I think I ended up putting about 3 coats on the shelf, and then I had to get the assistance of my husband and my son to flip it so that I can do the other side. But yeah, I'm really loving how it's coming out. You have to really pay attention to detail so that you can make sure that you get in all those cracks and crevices. But fortunately, I've had this shelf for over 10 years and had taken really good care of it, but I just wanted a change. I wanted to go with my decor, and I just got tired of the black. So I did change this to white. Again, I am loving it. You can see here that I am wearing a mask this time because I did not want to keep inhaling all those fumes, and I did lift my garage door all the way up. Please excuse the mess under my garage. I'm going through a remodel phase where we're laying down mats because we're going to turn our garage into a workout area during COVID. So please disregard all that. Don't come for me in the comments about what my garage looks like. Just focus on the shelf, and I'm sure you will love it when I finish. So continue to keep watching. Okay, so this is the finished product with my accent pieces on the shelf. I am so in love with this shelf. I am so happy that I decided to DIY this shelf. It really changed the ambiance of my room. It changed the decor of my room. Also, I want to give you a little sneak peek of this wall art that I did. If you're interested in seeing that, let me know. But I was in the mood to just DIY some things, and I'm glad I did, because I'm gonna step back and let you look at the overall. That is actually beautiful, and I wish I had a before and after. But thanks for watching, and let me know if you plan on trying this.